Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'll just be talking you through a bit about how the product works on this particular vehicle. The product itself is called a Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser. I've done a couple of other videos on this particular product, firstly because it's just a really cool product in the way it works and the fact that every vehicle behaves differently in terms of how it integrates in. So we've got here the Autowatch Ghost card. So basically, for those of you who haven't heard about the product, it's a immobiliser basically, but what it does, it uses, rather than what a traditional immobiliser would have as a separate fob where you touch in and then go, this uses the factory buttons on from the steering wheel to the windows, buttons across here as well. So overall, really cool product. So what I'm going to do to start with is just show you, obviously the product's all being installed to the highest possible installation standards. All our engineers are FITAS approved as well. So what I'll do is I'll just start the vehicle as though I normally would. So I've got the factory key here. Okay, so this really stops against people that are sort of using key cloning techniques to steal vehicles nowadays. So push button start. So what I'm going to do is just bring the camera up here slightly so you can see I'm not doing anything. Foot on the brake and engine on, and instantly the vehicle dies. That's it. And you do actually get a little symbol here saying immobiliser active. So what we're going to do now is just turn off the ignition, recycle the engine there. So what we've got now, so we're starting again. Okay, so rather than the way it works, rather than putting my foot on the brake and starting straight away, I'm going to go and push the ignition button on. I get ignition, and obviously this is going to be changed after the installation, after we hand over to the customer. But basically what we do, we add in our pin code. So at the moment our pin code is 1 2 3 4, and then we'll get two little clicks on the indicator showing that we've acknowledged, and then I can put my foot on the brake, press the start button, and I'm good to go. So that's basically how the product works in essence. So it uses your factory buttons to control and start the vehicle. There's really easy to use product. Obviously you can set different pin configurations between, say for instance 4 of this button, 2 and 2, or you can go up to 20 buttons. So it's completely bespoke to you. And one great thing about it, so even if they do steal the factory key, what you can do on the product, because the password is in your head as such, it's completely customizable, so nobody will ever get into the car. Really sophisticated product. I've got a page actually on the website, which is, if you just type for Autowatch Ghost Cambridge is where we're based, and we're actually moving to our new premises very soon, so just bear in mind the date that I've videoed this. We're now going to be based in a place called Grange Farm in Horningsea. We've got over 6,000 square foot of workshop facilities, so state-of-the-art showroom as well, so feel free to pop by and have a look at that as well. So overall, really easy to use product, really cool, really simple, really cost effective as well in terms of a solution for security. So for any more details that you have on the product, how it works, how it integrates in with the car, please do feel free to give us a call. So our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, and I'll be updating on the website all our new address details, because that move will be taking place on the 24th of September 2018. So thank you very much again for watching, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you very much.